Hey, welcome back. I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but for me it is Christmas Day. Beautiful day. I'm at Palm Beach and my amazing girlfriend Vanessa is filming me today. So just thought I would leave you with a little final thought for the year, for 2019, just to set you up for the next year, to make it the best year of your life. You know by now that that's exactly what I want to do for next year. Super excited. But I wanted to share a thought that I received from one of my good friends, Harry. And we're talking just a couple of weeks ago, and I said, Harry, what plans do you have for Christmas? And he says, oh mate, for the holidays, all I want to do is just learn as much as possible. That was it. He just wanted to learn as much as possible about whatever he's doing in his life. And I just thought, that's like, for such a young age, he's only 19. I was like, that's a really, really awesome attitude. I absolutely love it. To have the attitude to learn as much as possible is really exciting. And so I guess I wanted to pass that thought on to you all and just encourage you for the next year, or even just the next holiday season, just have an attitude of learning where just every opportunity you get, just take it on and see what you can learn from it. Wins, losses, doesn't matter. Just have a go, read some books, listen to podcasts, try something new. If you've been thinking about starting a business, do it. If you've been thinking about learning a new instrument, do it. Learn as much as possible. Go onto YouTube, watch the videos, do whatever. Just learn as much as possible as you can over the next holiday period, and just set yourself up for an amazing year ahead. So that's the final thought from me for this year. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for your support and encouraging me and watching the videos. It's been so good to hear your responses, and a bunch of you have said you've been implementing some of these ideas and seen some success in your own lives. So really proud of you. You're so awesome. Thank you very much. I look forward to next year. It's going to be an absolute banger. I'm super G'd up. I've set my goals. If you haven't seen my 2020 resolution series yet, make sure to check it out. Set some goals. Make next year the best year of your life. And I look forward to doing the journey with you. I'll see you next year. Enjoy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you later.